Curious how Shakira learned English to become a global star? Let's explore her journey and see how it changed her career. Shakira has shared in several interviews how she learned English, especially when she began making music for English speaking audiences. Here's an interview where she discusses her experience. Shakira was born in Barranquilla, Colombia on February the 2nd, 1977. When she was a child, she loved listening to different kinds of music, especially English rock and roll, and also Colombian and Lebanese songs. Shakira learned English by taking classes and practicing a lot. She worked hard to improve her English so she could write and perform songs in the language. Thanks to her dedication in learning English and guidance from her mentor, Gloria Stefan, who encouraged her to record songs in English. Shakira's first English album, Laundry Service, sold over 13 million copies. She became a global superstar, making a huge impact on the English music scene with her hit song Wherever, Wherever. Shakira grew up in a poor family but became successful because she worked hard and stayed determined. When Gloria Stefan offered to translate some of Shakira's Spanish songs into English, Shakira decided to learn English herself because she was motivated to do so. She had a clear goal. She wanted to write her own songs in English for her new album to reach a wider audience. Shakira speaks English to a high level. She learned English fluently because she is very hardworking and motivated. She speaks English very well. When talking about learning English, Shakira said she felt a strong need to express her ideas, feelings, and thoughts in another language. Even though it was probably difficult at times, she was determined to succeed. She was willing to put in the hours to write songs until she was satisfied with. She also mentions that when she started writing music in English, she could barely speak the language and needed the help of a dictionary. We can see Shakira has clearly come a long way since then and speaks English perfectly today. Another reason she was successful is because she knew what she needed to study in order to write English songs. She needed to learn the sounds first, how it worked rhythmically, then used her skills in grammar to express herself in songwriting.
With the hardship of life.
After successfully composing her first song in English, Shakira immersed herself in Western literature and music. I had to find a way to express my ideas and feelings in English, Shakira explains. So I bought a couple of rhyming dictionaries, read poetry and authors like Leonard Cohen and Walt Whitman. Now that you have a good understanding of what this celebrity did to become successful, how can you apply what she did? Here's a simple 4-step guide to learning English. Number 1. Persevere. All celebrities knew learning English would be tough. They made many mistakes but learned from their mistakes and kept trying. They worked with teachers and practiced with English speakers. You can do the same. if Shakira is able to become fluent in English. Number 2. Use real-life materials. Shakira read books in English to learn the language. While textbooks can be helpful, they might be dull. Instead, choose topics you like, such as fashion, cooking, or technology, and find books or magazines about them. The more interested you are in what you read, the more you will want to continue. The goal is to learn as much English as you can, right? Number 3. Understand why you want to learn English. Knowing why you want to learn English helps you stay motivated, especially when it gets tough. All celebrities had clear goals that kept them focused. Think about your own reasons for learning English and be specific. Remind yourself of these reasons each time you practice and treat your learning as an important goal, not just a hobby. Think about why you want to learn English. Be as specific as you can and keep focusing on that reason every time you practice. Number 4. Immerse yourself in English. Even if you can't fully surround yourself with English, do what you can. Watch TV shows in English, join local conversation groups, or take part in online forums. Consider visiting an English-speaking country for your next vacation to practice even more. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Like the celebrity mentioned, you need to work hard for years to achieve it. Their success came from dedication, practice, and knowing why they want to learn English. Even if you're not a celebrity, you can still succeed in learning English. Start by spending just 5 minutes a day immersing yourself in English. Even small efforts can lead to fluency. How will you practice English daily? Who motivates you to improve? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and inspiration. Share in the comments how you plan to immerse yourself in English and who inspires you on your learning journey. See you in the next video and happy learning!